Hi everyone. Well, I'll start here. Take you for a little walk in my yard and show you what I've been doing this summer. The job I didn't like is my water coming into the house, burying my pumping line. Well, I dug this from the house up to here, then we used the ditcher to the trees. Which I buried everything by hand as well. Wind blew one of my doors down on that red shop. Oh well. Winter's coming early, people. Not sure how long my phone's gonna last. It's been screwing around. Seems to want to, one of my well site trailers, seems to want to go dead real quick. My vac units. This right here, I had this dug out really deep, and yeah, it took me a while to bury this. I had to dig all this through here, through the trees, by hand. Oh, this was kind of crappy too. Had to cut trees, you know, as well. Not a fun job, but had to be done. All the way through here. Oh, there comes one. It was nasty digging through here. It was just as bad burying it. Left it for decent days to do it when it was cooler and it was so hot and humid it sucked. But then grass started growing up, weeds started growing up on the dirt that I had already dug out. This stuff here, it's all clay. These cattails, this was the worst. The absolute worst. I had to piece in these chunks by hand just to bury it. And when I got to this spot, it wasn't too bad for a while. It was pretty decent. Pretty easy covering up. She's a windy one here in Sask. Yeah, I finished up here there the other night, and I thought, oh, you can see that bale way back there. That's where my well is. We're going there. Anyways, I thought I'd be done in a couple hours. Nope, 6, almost 7 hours later. Well, it's starting to rain too, so that kind of kept me motivated, because rain I didn't need. I would just delay things even more. Junk pit. I don't know why he built this well out here so far away down. Anything goes wrong, it's expensive as hell. 300 meters of pumping wire. coming to the end of the journey. As you can see, there's a hell of a long ways. I still got this little bit here to fill in. I gotta go and grab some near the house. Put the box on after and the lid. We'll call it good. There's my farm way, way out there. I tell ya. She was a mission. It's all done now. Peace out from Lost Art.